Hey Lincoln, it's Matt Mick here again with Homegrown Lincoln, and of course we are here at yet another Wingfest 2020 vendor at Buffalo Wild Wings with Kat. Kat, how are you?
I am doing great, thanks.
Yes, we're excited to be here. So guys, Wingfest 2020, which is brought to you by United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County, with all proceeds for the event going to the community workspaces of Lincoln. It's coming up here in just a few weeks. And Kat, what are you guys going to be presenting at Wingfest here?
So we've got our lovely Parmesan garlic, which is one of our top sellers.
Smells delicious.
Thank you. I love it. Definitely one of my favorites. It was a big hit last year, and so we kind of brought it back.
Parmigar, I mean, who doesn't like that, right? What, as a judge, like what makes your guys' wings something that I should vote for maybe over the other participants?
Ooh, good. So what I really like is that it has a good thick substance, so it really stays on the wing instead of kind of dripping off. It's got a really powerful garlic creamy sauce. I just feel like if you like garlic, you like Parmesan, it's just the perfect combination.
It is a thick sauce.
Right? It doesn't just kind of run off, it stays on that wing.
So guys, again, Wingfest 2020, we're at Buffalo Wild Wings here at downtown. Again, brought to you by the United Way of Lincoln and Lancaster County. There's a little afters, a little bite on me.
A little bit of a heat, yep.
All proceeds going to community workspaces of Lincoln. And guys, this is a unique event this year, making it COVID friendly. So you're gonna pick them up in your car. There's gonna be music, fireworks. So we really look forward to seeing you guys there. We'll check you guys at the next. Have a good one.
Bye.